Hello everyone. Today we will be doing maths paper 4 extended May-June 2023 paper version 4.2. Starting with question number 1. The diagram shows an isosceles triangle with the base extended. Find the value of x. Since this triangle is isosceles, these two sides are given equal. That means this angle and this angle both are equal. Let's say it is y. So I can write sum of angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. It implies y plus 42 degrees equals to 180 degree. It implies 2y equals to 180 minus 42 degrees, which will give me 138 degrees. Therefore, y is equals to 138 divided by 2, giving answer as 69 degree. Therefore, we have to find the value of x. So, x and y, when I add x and y, since they are on a straight line, the sum of this is equals to 180 degree. So, x plus y equals to 180 degree angles on a straight line. It implies x is equals to 180 minus y, so 180 degree minus 69 degrees will give me 111 degrees answer. Part number B. The diagram shows three lines meeting at a point. The ratio A is to B is to C is equals to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Find the value of C. So, all three angles are at a point. So, sum of angles at a point will give me 360 degrees. So, I will write let A is equals to 3x. From the ratio terms, we will be finding the values. B is equals to 4x. C is equals to 5x. Therefore, 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equals to 360 degrees. That means 12x is equals to 360 degrees. So, x is equals to 360 divided by 12, giving back 30 degrees. Therefore, the value of C is equals to 5x, which is 5 into 30 degree, giving back 150 degrees. Here it is C degree, okay? So, the value for C is 150. Part number C. A regular pentagon has an exterior angle D. A regular hexagon has an interior angle H. Find the fraction D upon H. Give your answer in its simplest form. So, first of all, write down exterior angle of pentagon is equals to, formula is 360 divided by number of sides. Pentagon has 5 sides, so divided by 5, giving back 72 degree. Second point, interior angle of hexagon. Formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by n. So putting the value for n, which is 6 in case of hexagon, 6 minus 2 into 180 degrees divided by 6, giving back answer as 120 degrees. So now we have to find the ratio D upon H. Therefore, sin D upon H is equals to 72 degrees upon 120 degree. So cancel it out, put this in your calculator, you will get back answer as 3/5. Part number D. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. We have to prove this. For a cyclic quadrilateral, we know this angle and this angle, the sum for these two should be equals to 180 degree. Similarly, the sum for angle P and angle R, it should be equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we will write for a quadrilateral to be cyclic, sum of opposite angles is equals to 180 degree. So it implies x degree plus 3x degree minus 40 degree equals to 180 degree. From here you can find the value of x. It implies 4x degree is equals to 180 degree plus 40 degree. It implies x degree is equals to 180 plus 40 is equals to 220, and then when you divide it by 4 you will get 55. Implies x is equals to 55. Now from here put this value of x to find the value of all the angles. Therefore angle S is equals to 55 degrees. Angle Q is equals to 3x minus 40 degrees, which will give me 3 multiplied by x, which is 55, then subtracting 40 will give me 125 degree. Angle P is equals to 2x minus 5 degrees. That means 2 multiplied by 55 minus 5 is equals to 105 degrees. And angle R is equals to x plus 20 degrees, which is x is 55 plus 20 degrees, means 55 plus 20, 75. So therefore now angle S plus angle Q, so it is 55 degrees plus 125 degrees, 55 plus 125, 180 degree. Angle P plus angle R, angle P is 105, angle R is 75, that means 105 plus 75, again 180 degree. So we have proved, because the sum of the opposite angles coming as 180 degree, hence this is proved. PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral. Part number E. The diagram shows a circle of radius 9 cm, center O, the minor sector AOB with sector angle 50 degree is removed from the circle. Calculate the length of the major arc AB. So we have to find the length of the major arc. So we will find the major angle. What will be the major angle? It should be 360 minus 50, which will give me 310 degrees. So arc length is equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. This is the formula. So for major arc, what is the angle? 310 degree upon 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi, and r is given as 9. Put this value in your calculator. So your answer will be 48.7. Now question number 2. Anil changes $830 into euros when the exchange rate is 1 euro equals to $1.16. He spends 500 euros. He then changes the remaining money back into dollars at the same exchange rate. Work out how much in dollars Anil receives. So first of all, $1.16 is equals to 1 euro. So now $1, what will be the value of $1? 1 upon 1.16 euro. Therefore, total how much he has? 830 dollars is equals to 1 upon 1.16 multiplied by 830. Put this in your calculator and you will get back the value 715.5 euros. Now remaining, first of all we will find remaining euros, because he is spending 500 euros. So 715.5 minus 500 will give me 215.52. So now again converting back into dollars. So 1 euro is equals to $1.16. Therefore 215.52 euros is equals to 1.16 into 215.52 will give me $250. Answer. Part B. In 2021, Anil earns $37,000. He spends $12,400 on bills in 2021. Okay. Calculate the percentage of his earnings he spends on bill. So percentage spent is equals to the money spent, which is 12,400 upon total money, which is 37,000 multiplied by 100. Put this in your calculator. You will get back value 33.51. Answer. Part number 2. His earnings of $37,000 increases by 3.2% in 2021. Calculate his earnings in 2022. So his earnings in 2022, what was the previous earning? 37,000 in 2021 plus the increment 3.2% of 37,000. So 37,000 plus 3.2 upon 100 into 37,000, cancelling out 0 zeros. Put this value in your calculator. Now you will get 38184. This will be the new earning in 2022. Part number C. Anil invests $3,500 in an account that pays a rate of 2.5% per year compound interest. Calculate the total interest earned at the end of 5 years, putting the value for the compound interest formula. A is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n, where n is the number of time. What is the amount? We have to calculate. The principal was 3,500. 1 plus rate is 2.4% upon 100. Time is 5 years. When you put all these values in your calculator, you'll get back answer is $3940.65. So we have to find interest. Interest is amount minus principal. So 3940.65 minus 3,500. So interest coming out as $440.6. Second part, find the number of complete years before Anil has at least $5,000 in his account. So So A is equals to P, 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Amount, how much amount he should have? He should have 5,000. So 5,000. What was the principal? 3,500. 1 plus rate was 2.4 upon 100. Time we have to calculate. So 5,000 divided by 3,500 is equals to 1 plus 2.4 upon 100 to the power of n. So when you divide, you will get 1.429 is equals to 1 plus 2.4 upon 100 to the power of n. Now taking log both sides. Okay. Use the log function in your scientific calculator, ln function. So you will get ln 1.429. Whenever we take log, the power will come forward. So it will be n ln 1 plus 2.4 upon 100 to the power of n. Okay. So when we take ln 1.429, it will give me answer as 0.35697 n, and when I take ln bracket 1 when I will solve 2.4 divided by 100, 1 plus 2.4 divided by 100, so it will be 0.024. So it will be, what it will be, let me check first this thing. 2.4 divided by 100, this plus 1.024. This value, this bracket value is 1.024. Okay. So what I will do, I will take log of this. So it is ln 1.024. Answer coming as 0.0237. Okay. So n is equals to 0.35697 divided by 0.0237. So 0.35697 divided by 0.0237. So it is coming out as 15.06. So 15.06 is more than 15 years. They have asked complete years, number of complete years they are asking. So that means n is equals to 16 years. More than 15, that means he needs 16 years so that the amount 3,500 will become 5,000. Therefore, n is equals to 16. Now, coming to question number 3. The diagram shows a right angle triangle ABC. The area of the triangle is 60 centimeters square. Show that 2x square plus 11x minus 105 equals to 0. Formula using area is equals to half into base into height. It implies putting the value of area half. What is the value for base? 2x plus 5. Now height is x plus 3. 4. 60 multiplied by 2, taking 2 to the other side of the is equals to, and multiply these two brackets. So it will be 2x square plus 2 3s are 6x plus 5 into x plus 5 3s are 15. So 120 is equals to 2x square plus 6 plus 5 is 11x plus 15. Taking 120 to the other side of the is equals to plus 15 minus 120 equals to 0. So 2x square plus 11x minus 105 equals to 0. This we have to prove. We have done this part number A. Part number B, solve by factorization. First of all, writing the general form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Comparing, the value of a is 2, b is 11 and c is equals to minus 105. So we have to take two numbers whose multiplication a into c. First of all, find the multiplication a into c. A is 2, c is 105, giving me 210. So we have to take two numbers whose multiplication is 210, and when we subtract those two numbers, this minus sign is saying that we have to subtract those two numbers to get the value of b, which is 11. So what will be the two numbers? 21 and 10. So 21 into 10, 210, and 21 minus 10 will give me 11. So putting this value, 2x square plus 21x minus 10x minus 105 equals to 0. Make the pair, taking out common from the pairs. Here only x is common, so it is 2x plus 21. 5 is common, minus 5, so the inside sign will change, so it is 2x plus 21 equals to 0. Common bracket, 2x plus 21, the other bracket x minus 5 equals to 0. So from these two brackets, the value of x is minus 21 upon 2 and the other value is 5. So 21 upon 2 can be written as minus 10.5 and the other value as 5. Answer. Calculate angle ACB. ACB, this angle we have to calculate. So taking tan of C is equals to tan, the formula for tan is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite is, one more thing I would like to tell you before putting the values. For length, we always take positive value. So taking the value of x as 5 and putting here to find the lengths. So it is 2 into 5 plus 5, giving back 15. And here 5 plus 3, which is 8. So opposite is 15 and adjacent is 8. That means C is equals to tan inverse 15 upon 8. So my answer is 61.9. degrees. Part number B, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle DEF has an area of 93.75 centimeters square. Find the size of the smallest angle of triangle DEF. First of all, make two triangles here. It is A, B, C, D, E, F. These two triangles are similar. We have calculated this as 8, this as 15, and the area for this is given as 60. For this area is given as 93.75. So find the size of the smallest angle of triangle DEF. Since these two triangles are similar, so angles will also be same. So the smallest angle for smallest angle of triangle DEF is equals to angle 180 minus 61.9 plus the other angle 90 degree. So 180 minus, when you minus this, put this in your calculator. (180) minus bracket 61.9 plus 90. So it is 28.1. degrees. Find the length of the shortest size of triangle DEF. So First calculate for triangle ABC, the triangle side BC. BC will be under root of 8 square plus 15 square by using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So when I put this in my calculator, I'll get back as under root of 289, which is 17 centimeter. Now, since two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, area DEF upon area of ABC is equals to length DEF, smallest side, upon length of ABC whole square. So this is given as 93.75 upon 60. Length DEF, smallest, is given as, we have to find x, and for the smallest ABC is 8 square. So under root 93.75 upon 60 is equals to x upon 8. Therefore x is equals to 8 under root 93.75 upon 60. When you put this in your calculator, you will get x answer as 10 centimeter.